In this video, we are going to see and resolve a very important issue. That is, as soon as we create a new Excel sheet, let me just quickly create it. As soon as we create it, we open it. It is by default opened in Arabic language, as you can see at the bottom, but all the menus are in English. So if you're not sure how you can resolve it, here's how you can do it. First of all, we need to disable the Arabic language. We go to the file menu, we click on options and we click on language. And from here, we just make sure that we set a preferred language to match Microsoft Windows, that is English. And you can set it to any specific level here. But if you have Arabic installed anywhere and you get the option down here to remove it, you can remove it from here. Click OK. And it says, please restart Office so that the language can take effect. Close out of here. Try to insert a new sheet again and see if that works. If not, we need to check the Windows regional settings. So press Windows plus I key and click on time and language. Click on the language and region from here and make sure the display language here is set to English. Restart your computer after changing this if it was set to some other language and see if that works. And if your language is, let's say I change it to sheet 1, if you're able to change this language and if your direction is the only issue, what you can do is just go to the file and click on the options. And from here, just scroll all the way down to this display section where it says left to right, just change it to right to left. Close out of here, save it. And then as we insert a new sheet, and from here we change it to left to right and see if that works. Click OK. And if you are still unable to resolve it after changing the regional settings, after changing all of these settings, still it shows in Arabic, what you need to do is you need to completely remove a display language from Excel. To do that, go to the file, click on the options again and click on the language again. And here we can see that we have set this English as preferred language, but the Arabic that we recently installed is still here. But to remove it, I don't have an option here. So this means that the language cannot be removed from here. What you need to do is just go to the start menu and right here, control panel, click on uninstall a program. And we need to search for the Microsoft Office Professional Arabic version. As you can see, this is English and AR is for Arabic. You can delete it from here. Remove it, click yes, and now it is uninstalling, as you can see. And just remember guys, it will take some time. So just sit back and relax while it uninstalls this language. And guys, just remember that if it is stuck for a very long time, just restart your computer once and then try to remove it. And once it is removed from here, just click on the control panel to make sure that it is completely removed, as you can see here. And after that, just restart your computer to make it effective. And once we have restarted the computer, let's delete all the sheets again, insert a new sheet. Let's see if that works. Let's open this up, go to the file, click on options, click on the language and set this as preferred language. Click OK, close out of here. Let's open the Excel file again. And finally guys, let's try to insert a new sheet. If it doesn't work, I'll show you a quick solution on how you can resolve this. Let's say that it is if still opened in Arabic, and on the other side, we go to the file again, click on the options, click on the advanced and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And in the display options for this worksheet, just uncheck this show sheet right to left, click OK. By unchecking it, click OK. And we can manually change this name to sheet 1, let's say, just to get started with our work. And that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.